Hey, Justin, great to see you. Thanks for coming by the booth.
Absolutely.
Hey, would you tell us where you're teaching and what your name is and where you're teaching, what program you're teaching in?
Yeah. So my name is Justin Carrier. I am a physical therapist. I teach in the PTA program at Salt Lake Community College in Salt Lake City, Utah.
Awesome. And we'd love to hear how PhysioU is going for your classroom. What apps you're using, what you're seeing with the students, and how it's affecting you as a faculty member.
So I teach the ortho content of our program, so I'm using it really heavily in there. I'm using the clinical pattern worksheets to have the students I love what I love about PhysioU and your approach is trying to develop the clinical reasoning. I think that kind of traditionally here's a diagnosis, here's everything you do for it, and that's overwhelming in and of itself.
Yeah.
And then they get out into the clinic, they're like, well, I've heard of this, but I don't know what to do for it.
Yeah.
So I love the aspect of really helping them recognizing those patterns, develop the reasoning. So I'm trying to use it more and more as far as integrating into lecture and showing hey, what's this test? Well, instead of me just trying to describe it, like let's pull up the video and actually watch it. And we're using it in our labs. I have them watch the videos before lab as far as manual therapy goes, and then we talk about how to use it and things. And I'm wanting to integrate it more with Therex and stuff like that too. That's what I'm working for. So.
And has it been able to be utilized across the curriculum in different courses yet?
Yeah, well, I know that all of our faculty are all on board with it, and we talk about it at the beginning of the program. I haven't had as much chance as I'd like to sit down with our other faculty and say, how are you using it in cardiopulmonary, or how are you using this in tested measures and data collection and stuff. So we talk about it, and I think that I'm the one that uses it the most right now, but we're really pushing to try and make that across the curriculum, like you said.
That's great. Yeah. Hey, and last thing, if you were to describe PhysioU in one word, what would you say?
Brilliant. I think the fact that we can replace textbooks, the fact that it's accessible in class, in the clinic, it's, I think, updated. Yeah. We're a technology society, and this is how they're learning now, right?
Yeah.
And so to have all those resources right there, I think it's brilliant. It's great.
That's awesome, man. Hey, thanks for being a part of the journey with us.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Take care.
Thank you.
Thanks.